Guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and guess what I'm unboxing? If you're interested in seeing what I got this month in my subscription from Julep, stick around. Okay guys, I always love their box because I just love the way everything comes. Alright, and here we have Welcome to Julep. Welcome, this is Julep, welcome to the jungle. And inside they're saying make a splash. Now they got a body wash. It's ready to shower. A hydrating body cleaning oil. The cultivated body cleaner effectively dissolves impurities while nourishing, hydrating, and exfoliating your skin. It is perfect for fresh between glorious summer days. Wow, guys. I'm going to really like that. It says, get it, snap it, glam it. How are you hitting refresh for the summer? Share your pictures by tagging at Julep and self-care with Julep for a chance to win. Then they got free polish with any $10 purchase at Julep. Code cool down. As summer passes and one remembers one's experience. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's see what we got in the box for Julep this month. Okay, we have this box, we have this, and is there anything else in here? Yes. Okay, here are my items from Julep this month. I have a facial. The triple quench is it's a deep hydration. I'm putting the shadow, sorry guys. Let me see if I set it up that way. You see it better. It's a deep hydration skin sheet mask system. So I can't wait to use this. It has everything in the package that you need. It has some gel and a sleep pack. So that's pretty good. You do your facial, and then you do your mask, and it has everything that you need to go in it. Okay, the next box is the huge box, and it says, Julep Rethink Your Shower, the hydrating body cleaning oil. Let's rethink your shower. It also comes with a pump to add to it when you take your shower. So that's a good thing. I like that. I can't wait to try that. Hopefully I'm not allergic to it, because her sister has sensitive skin and she's allergic to everything. Okay, now we have a new nail polish. Let me open this up, guys, so we can get this. Okay, this one is called Kia number 8151, or is that 8I51I, whatever. But it's called Kia. Okay, Kia Bombshell. So this color is very pretty. This orange is so pretty. This is more of a fall color, guys, but it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So guys, this is everything I received today in my Julep monthly box for the month of July. I hope you enjoyed my little kooky video. If you're not a member already of the Creatively Miss Me family, feel free to click that subscribe button down below. I know you see it. I know you do. And then next to it is a bell. Click on that bell, guys. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And then also follow me on my social media accounts. You guys, as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And I always thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.